One man don't come out say people don't go they sell crude oil pipeline for their land though. This place will be Oviolomo community for Delta State. Them talk say they don't even carry excavator. We go come they carry them this pipeline. I come they wonder who be the people where they do this kind of thing? Because him now they talk say na hoodlums, say na people waiting for the community. But how we tell sure say na these people they do? Make na watch video of where this man they shout, they lament about things where people they do for the community.
So Oviolomu get oil, make una dey see am. Raw oil, they carry excavator called the leaders, they are the executive. They remove the oil pipeline. They remove all the oil pipelines. Yeah. They remove them. Now they allow the oil they waste. They won't sell the pipe. See the oil, not be waiting. They go market, they go find. See raw oil, raw crude oil, raw crude oil, raw crude. You can see it yourself. Raw crude oil. You can see it. You can see the pipeline when they cut, when they won't sell. So when they already cut by a cut, they don't carry excavator cut to cut sell. Make una see, oh, make una see crude oil. Make una see am. What did they do for Violomu community? What did they do for Violomu community? Make una see am. Now only who not get fish and I go look this kind of thing, go look at your face. Make una see what did they do for Violomu community. Make una see, oh, what did they do for Violomu community? See the pipeline, they call they come out, see them. They call they come out with the aim of to sell them. The thing still long they go. None of the see so. Now the pipeline none of the see so. You see long they go. Just to sell the pipeline. Make them not fit take the oil. Make the community for not go forward. Who they do this one for anywhere for the world? Now witchcraft be this one. Now our generation that they suffer so, they won't suffer, but God not go grief for them. See, oh, make on a see pipeline. Make on a see pipeline. Make on a see Oviri pipeline. Make on a see Ovirolomu pipeline. Make una see Ovirolomu pipeline. Make una see Ovirolomu pipeline.
And I don't see as they pour this crude oil for granted. This thing they're very dangerous because any small light, no, they just on one kind of small matches, that whole place don't destroy. Now people just leave this kind of thing for there, just like that. Say because of waiting. But me, I feel say this the way this boy they talk say now hoodlums have been a people. I'm not sure say person whenever chop bellyful. One kind poor person go come talk say he won't go dig this thing they sell. I feel say na the government, I be na the king, I be whoever be chief for them in a community. Now they do this kind of thing, no? Because they go no. This kind of thing where they don't already they even carry am. The tractor be the excavator where they carry this thing. Where they pass, she be na the community. Shey the king, I be the chief go talk say here they pay them. Say no they see say that they carry this thing they come out. All this one way they even shout self. Make no be say they don't even they target you, won't come find you say they won't kill you say you don't expose them. This whole matter, I feel say, na planting, na setup. Governments know about this thing where they happen. How na go just reach person land, community land don't ever reach them. When I can't go there, go. In fact, the best thing na, if na not saying I won't do this kind of thing, maybe I go sell this crude oil. If na sell then the crude oil finish, then I come out in a pipeline. Maybe na go talk saying I won't go repair. This one I say as they break this thing pieces by pieces, can't drop them. They find people who go they carry them. Which kind of thief country be this like this? So far, no. In fact, this our government. All my mind, now government they go because person no go fit just reason this kind of thing. Person wait there for the communities go just stand up say, he won't go sell one kind of pack. For which land? Now papa get land. And not say all this kind of land like this. Now government and they dominate them. Government go already even put their stamp there say, now them get this oil, make nobody near them. So I not feel say now human being and they do this, now normal person and they do this kind of thing. Now big people for the community. And I suppose go do research. Make this man go even report to their chief community, be their leader. If you know they fear, because me I even feel say him where they go risk in life, something go do him. If you know they careful, because they feel they do this thing underground. This man now don't come open their pints out for everybody make them see you. As they don't come see this one now, you go come be say now you go be the next target. Oga, run no. This one no be hoodlums. And they advise you now run for your life. No be hoodlums. They do this one. Hoodlums no fit just get strength. Say they won't come. If say na hoodlums, you go no. They no go even do and say for broad daylight. So be say people go they see. Now midnight. Now they go they do this kind of thing. And in fact that oil they go don't sell them. They no go leave and make it they waste just like that. But you say they careful. This place where you dey. Any small mistake. In fact that whole community, all of them don't die. Now don't even permit for there. Making I take precaution. Behind I go back come up for the land though. But then I don't even know what I want to plus in a king. Make I go find and go report to behind an NMPC or who won't come deal this kind of matter. Make they come do this kind of thing. Because this oil now, it just be like one kind of destruction for that place. Any small thing, fire don't catch for that place. Government people making her do something about it, making her cry. This one where only you they shout. Go find people where go come do solution. Come find something do about this whole matter. Not be about say you go come they do video. This video where you do now. People feel watch am, just even leave am. But find the right source, find the right person where you go meet, explain this thing to some people they do this, and if you see them, these people they do this thing, video them. Maybe police go even arrest them. Maybe true government and people don't even know about this whole thing where they happen. Now then just they do and say they want it, say hunger day. And we know say hunger they make people now they do different things. If you be hungry now they make people they do this kind of things. So as the matter be, I know as I want to even judge this kind of matter. Anything way I feel about this thing where they happen for this community, making a write am for the comment section. Then people where they Delta State we know this place. Making a dey careful, making a not to go near that place, making no be say we go come here say one explosion don't happen, no, making a take precaution, no waiting that they do well. Anything when I feel, making a not forget to write down for the comment section, and making a not forget to like us or follow us because we will give now hot story every day. Making a not forget to subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video. Hey, vigil don't turn another thing, no. The kind things where they happen for Nigeria every day, different things. Person wey saying they go vigil, go pray to God about him problem. Don't find another place, go. You go tell your papa, you go tell your mama, you go tell your husband, say, they go this place, go pray to God. Say, problem they disturb you, things they disturb you. You can't pass man house, go. Hey, women, we say if our body, our body. This woman na in pastor house, na ain't go. Me na first watch this video to hear wetin this man catching wife they do.
Má bójú now. Èmi jáde ńlé lánàá. Ìwọ sọ pé òun lọ VG. Àbí mo dẹ̀ ti ń gbé information pa ẹ̀. So nǹkan tó máa ṣe ni. Àbí wòlíì kọ́ ni. Ẹ ti ṣe ìrìsà. Ẹ wá káyàwó tèmi mọ́lé. Iṣẹ́ kò ní dáa fún yín. Èṣù ló ní kẹ́ ẹ báṣọ. Èṣù ló ní kẹ́ ẹ bọ́bọ́ ẹ̀tẹ̀wọ̀n kan. Àbí bírá ìyàwó mi kọ́ ni. Kò ní dáa fún yín wòlíì. Ẹ wá káyàwó tèmi mọ́lé. Èmi lọ hustle láàárọ̀. Gbójú ẹ sókè náà. Àbíkẹ́ gbójú ẹ sókè. Mo lọ hustle láàárọ̀. Kí n wálé kí n wá fún ẹ lówó. O ti gbọ́kùnrin wálé. Style wo ló fẹ́ ṣe tí mi ò ṣe fún ẹ? Bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ká dáa fún ẹ. Wòlíì máa gún yín lọ́bẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣe máa wà ní táwọn ìṣe máa ka yín. Ọlọ́run bá ń gbọ́. Tẹ bá kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ máa pa yín síbí. Wòlíì tẹ bá kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ máa pa yín síbí. Ẹ tẹ wọ́n bọ̀ tẹ kójọ. Ṣé wòlíì níyà?
Hey! Una see as this man catch the wife? The woman can't even dey cover face. What do you dey cover face for? They don't already catch you. This man saying don't they hear this thing since so, but because he trust in wife, now he make him feel say in wife don't go fit do this thing until he can't catch this wife with him pastor. No be pray, you go pray. Now from prayer, you don't touch head, enter breast. Which kind prayer be this? Some people say now so they go come out say they go for 10 days fasting and prayer. Everything they will go there, go do another thing, all in the name of prayer. Women, we say what thing we even find for this life? Because this man say nothing we know they give this woman. She na money in they give am. Everything where this woman work, this man they work because of this woman. Now because of this woman, this man they work. If not, instead for sit down for house, now they enjoying life. But because of say make her take care of my wife, make she dey comfortable. You can't they go work, they hustle. You go hustle from morning till night. Your wife go meet another man. Wetin she dey find? If you know say this thing no reach you, divorce am now, go follow pastor. As you know say na pastor na him get this thing wey he wan give you. This kind pastor sef, which kind pastor you be? Which kind pastor? God, you dey use God name dey lie. If say God suppose dey punish person sef, as you dey lie, make God dey punish you immediately. Because things dey over happen for this Nigeria, and God na because God sef dey pity us say okay until you die before him go judge you. If say God dey do am immediately, many people, in fact all of us sef, we don't even die. Because the kind things what we dey do, it dey shock people. This woman get mind, go cheat, married woman. You wey you know say you don't marry, they call you wife, our wife, you go dey happy. Our wife wey dey do things inside corner. Underground things now you they do with pastor, you don't even do and say make her shame, make her do boyfriend. Pastor, man of God. Which kind man of God be this one? When they do things, corrupt man of God. Onishi no, ashewo man. The wife said the same thing. This kind man now, what do you want to do with this wife? He won't pursue him, he won't collect him back. What is he supposed to do? Because this kind of woman like this, you no even suppose keep am for your house. She don decide wetin she want. You dey give am everything, but still she no want. Na pastor na she like. Maybe the prayer dey provide food for the table, or the pastor business na business wey be say dey bring money. Na im make she prefer pastor. Or the pastor thing dey sweet pass im husband. Oh no, because now things just dey. Different marital issues every day. Divorce, this one. But as you know say this thing no reach you, divorce am now or you leave am. If you know say divorce go waste your time, you tell the man, okay oga, this your thing, you no dey reach me o, you no long reach, you no sweet reach, make I dey find my square root dey go. This one now wey you go disgrace this man, disgrace yourself, you can't carry cloth dey cover face. Who you dey hide from? They don already see you. We don already know wetin you do. People wey know this pastor sef, im don cast. That kind church sef, you no fit grow again because your member sef go decrease. Even your member sef, maybe na so you dey take even get them. You go say come for crusade, you go dey do another thing. Hey, una people, things dey really happen. Holy ground don turn to bad ground. Bed don turn to another thing. You na even see the bed. Shey this one sef na even church. No be church sef be this na. That means she no even go church. Where na the pastor house na she go. Bed don turn to holy ground. Instead of you to be praying, you are bedmaticking. You are doing something else on top of the bed. Now wow, una no go kill us. Your this thing now don turn to water stream. Where na there pastor dey go do im prayer, dey wash all im water comot from. All in dirty water wey don comot from evil people. Na your own water stream na im dey use. Bed don turn to holy ground. Instead of you to go dey pray, you go stay for bed, go dey do things. Mago things for your husband back. Husband wey trust you, think say him love you. You can't go dey do things. The thing wey even come vex me pass na the man come talk say na devil. This devil sef don suffer. So devil dey there wey you comot the woman bra, comot your trouser, comot your boxers. So tey you come enter inside this thing, na you and devil dey do am o. Hey, oga devil, you sef you don hear things. In fact, God suppose even put devil for one side. Make we know which one wey devil dey do and the one wey human being sef dey do. As e dey like this, now here I go even leave on now. Make na sef comment, make na talk wetin this woman do, if e good abi e no good, because this thing dey vex me. This woman dey disgrace women. Women now no fit go outside, go do shakara as we dey do again. Matter don too much about our problem. We no dey satisfied at all. If they give us this one, you know they reach us. Wetin we come want? Me na no forget to like, share and comment about this matter, because we go dey wait for una response about this thing wey dey happen. I mean, stay tuned for our next story.